Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kevin and welcome back to Houseplants A to Z. There's a window washer. I'm like nervous. My window's right here. Hold on. He's gone, y'all. Anyways, for those who are not familiar with this series, I talk about a plant or plant group that starts with each letter of the alphabet. Today's letter is D, and we are going to be talking about the, and forgive me guys, I don't know how to say this one, but this is the Anthurium Decipiens? Decipiens. I don't know. I know you guys can't tell because there's only 3 leaves, but she has grown so much since I got her. This is the newest leaf. Okay. This is the newest leaf. The leaves were coming out like this for a while. And then this one came out and it kind of showed that it was maturing. And then finally this one, and I'm so in love with it. Guess I'll just put it here like that. Put it here. I'm afraid I'm gonna hit it. So this plant was sold to me as a Anthurium Salgarense, and I think last year it was put in its own classification, I think. And also, fun fact guys, this was my very first Anthurium, and I kind of want to get this one before I got more of the fragile ones. So with this plant, when it matures and it's found in a environment that it likes, the leaves are gigantic. And I'll show you a picture here. This is from NSC Tropicals. Look at this leaf. It is like, it's so big. And in regards to care that I provide this Anthurium, I'm just going to do a quick fire. So when it comes to medium, I keep it in LECA and passive hydroponics. This plant lives in a bright indirect area when it comes to lighting. The humidity around this plant is kept between 50 and 65%, and the temperature doesn't drop below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. I thought because I got this plant in April, that I would take it out of its pot, out of the LECA, and I would repot it in a slightly bigger pot. And yeah, I guess let's do it. So again, everyone, I got the views over here. Another reason why I'm repotting is because I noticed that one of the roots popping out of the bottom over here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's rotting. So I'm thinking that I might need to repot into a bigger one, so that's why we're doing this today. See this healthy root, hopefully I don't break it off. I felt something rip. Oh my god, I don't like it. That root that I was showing you guys, it ripped. So that root is a goner, but let me show you guys. Oh my god, everything's happening. So, oh my gosh, it's still happening. Oh my god, all the LECA's fallen. What a mess. Okay, but I want to show you guys here. Oh my god, there's so many sounds. Okay, look at these roots. Insane. Okay, let me just see if there's any dead roots that I need to cut off here. There are a few that have rotted away, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. I was thinking of maybe submerging the plant a little bit more in the LECA, just because I could see on the main stem here that there are some aerial roots and I kind of want them to root in the LECA. So I push it down perhaps, I don't know. Oh no, I broke it. Okay, what a nightmare. What am I doing? Okay, hold on. Oh yeah guys, I didn't show you what this plant looked like when I got it. So this picture over here is from, I think it was April 1st. And you could see that the leaves are small and very juvenile. And I'm not saying that the plant now is mature by any means, but you could see how far it's come from the time I got it. When I got the plant, I actually threw it straight into LECA. Okay, we're just going to fill around here. And then we have the plant here. She is happy. We'll do the signature slam on the counter, just so the LECA has an opportunity to go around the roots. And here we are, guys. She's a little cutie. Okay guys, I guess that's it. If you haven't checked out the other videos in this series, please check them out on my channel. And if you've made it to the very end, thank you so much guys. I greatly appreciate it. Okay guys, I guess I'll see you later. Bye.